So now let's see variation. So there are four types of variation here. We have direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. So but the one we will do first is direct variation. So note that in direct variation we use this symbol for proportionality. So if I say A is proportional to B, so this symbol like this is A is proportional to B. So now to remove this symbol you have to change it to equal to and represent it as any constant. So it's not necessary it's K, it can be any alphabet. So but just make sure it's a constant, but we use K most of the time, so you can be using K. So if I have M is directly proportional to D, so this is the same thing as M is equals to KD. So now let's see what problem at least on direct variation. So let's see example. Given that y varies directly as x when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 6. Calculate y when s is equals to 7.5 and x when y is equals to 16.5. So now based on the question, y varies directly as x. So given that y varies directly as x, so this is the interpretation, y varies directly as x. So you change that proportionality sign to k, so y will be equals to ks, where k is constant. According to the question now, the first statement they will give you is to find, the first data given you will have is to find the constant k. So now you will see when s is 3, y is 6. So substitute when s is 3, y is 6. So this is 3k. So now k is equals to 6 over 3. So k is equals to 2. Now that you know your k, you need to go back to this equation. So you substitute back. So you now have y equals 2x. So you come back to this place, put your k equals 2. Now this one is called equation connecting y and x. From here you can do every other question. Now calculate y when s is 7.5. So from here now we know that y is equals to 2x. So when s equals 7.5, y equals to 2 brackets 7.5. So y is now equals to 15. Again, and x when y equals to 16. From that equation again, y equals 2x. Then x is y over 2. So s is equals to, so calculate s when y is 16.2. So 16.2 divided by 2. So x is 8.25. So that is the final answer. So for direct, this is how the question will look like.